Probably should have shot an intro. So, hey guys, it's Cody from Bar 7 Ranch. I got Ruby here with me and a handful of sheep. I guess those are alpacas right back there. But come with me today. We're going to set up a feeder for the sheep and see how they like it. Stay tuned and keep ranching. All right, guys, so about fell down over that rock right there. Get out of here. As y'all can see, I got plenty of rocks. So today what I'm going to do is I bought a liquid feeder to feed our sheep with, and it's a product called Mix 30. So it's I think it's 16% protein, 10% fat, and it's going to supplement these ewes and lambs throughout the winter so that they can better utilize the dry grass that I left standing in the pasture over here. I'll try to get a shot of that here in a little bit, but I'm going to put the feeder together here and see what we can, see. I think I'm going to put it right here kind of in these rocks because it's pretty much unusable ground anyways for any kind of, like if we're going to sow anything in here. So I'm going to put this feeder together right here and then fill it up with some liquid feed, and then we'll see how it goes, see how they like it. The wrong pocket. I was looking for the adapter to work on this. So this thing, it doesn't come assembled. They would have assembled it for me at the feed store, but I was in a hurry yesterday. So I'm going to take it off and show you what's going on in here. Okay, so the way this feeder works, I'm going to put these wheels into this little guy right here, into these little holes, so it'll stick up, above this little bracket, kind of like this. It'll stick out. I'll show you when I get it assembled. And then this will set down in the holes on the top here. Oh man, I could put those together out here. And goes down in there, and then when that liquid feed that's inside, as the sheep come up and roll this little wheel, it pulls that syrup up and they lick it off and get what they need out of it. So we're going to start assembling these guys and get that going. I think I'm going to do that over here. Maybe I can turn y'all around here. I don't know. Let's see. I'm trying a new adapter on my GoPro here. That's, oh yeah, looky there. Might let y'all, there we go. So I got y'all suction cup to my feeder right now. So let's see, we got to get these cotter keys out of here. Let me grab a pair of pliers right quick. Y'all ain't gonna believe this, but my good pliers are on the Ranger, or the Defender, I mean, and I'm gonna have to try to make do with these nippers, which ain't gonna really do what I want it to do, I don't think. Ruby's like, I want some of that. Really want to use these. These ain't gonna do what I want it to do. Get on out of here, bee. I'm normally a bee lover as long as you ain't on me. Alright, so let's put that guy down in here. There's gonna be 4 of these wheels on here, so get in there now. So that's what it looks like when it's assembled. You see that that just sticks up just a little bit above the flat part there. Turns freely. And we can straighten that back up. I'm probably gonna have to go, no, there we go. I'm gonna say I'm probably gonna have to go back to the house and get a pair of good pliers, because these are junk for this, as far as using it for this. There we go. One in. There we go. 2. All right, there's 1. So I got that one in. I'm gonna get these others put together, and then I'll grab you guys again, and I'll show you how we're gonna put them on the top. So stay tuned. Okay, so let me loosen this hooter dooter here up. So we got everything put on here. I got all 4 of them put in. I hadn't screwed them in there yet, but we got to do a little bit of other things. So this is the cover for the cap where you fill it, and this little piece of wood they sent here goes in the bottom right in the middle to keep the top from collapsing if they jump on top of it. So we're going to screw it in real quick. I got a big sack full of parts here. Ruby, don't eat none of these, all right? So I'm going to screw this on to here first, I think. Maybe not. Let's see. Let's see what's going to be the best way to do this. Let's pull these guys out of here. Just set them aside for right now. That's going to go on there like such. My washer's popped off. There it is. Keep it for safekeeping. All right. So if we can get that to go, it's got a little spot in there that's supposed. Whoops. There we go. Now then, we'll put this little screw in here, lag bolt type dealie. Get out of there, Ruby. Perfect. Now then, get out of here before you get something you ain't supposed to have. It's really all over but the crying now. So this tank is supposed to hold about 100 gallons of liquid feed. That liquid feed weighs about 5 pounds to the gallon, so about 500 pounds of feed. These sheep should eat about 1/10 of an ounce per day per head. So I'll do a little figuring on that in a little while and let y'all know about how long this should last. There's about 110 sheep out here, about 75 ewes, a little over 40 lambs. So, and of course Ruby here. So we'll see what it does. Start putting these back in. Come on now. We ain't trying to cage no line in here, so we'll just run it down till it's pretty snug, call it good, move on to the next one. All right. Now then, let's set these guys back in here. We'll take a washer and a screw, run it through there, find the hole right there. Perfect. Do the same down here. Like a charm. Ruby, you're a bit of a nuisance, you know it? You just wanting something to eat, huh? Wanting something sweet. Well, the old suction cup gave way on y'all. Let's put it on there and try it again. Maybe it'll last longer this time. Maybe Erica won't get on to me for dropping it. That'd be a relief. Okay. Here. We got one left, and where did I put that washer? I put it in my pocket. Y'all see where I put it? There it is. This one will hold the cap, so we probably don't want to put it all the way, suck it all the way down. Right there, just enough to hold it. Perfect. This thing's made by Frank's Manufacturing Company, San Antonio, Texas. 210-492-3222. I imagine your local feed store's got one if you're hunting for one. Like I said, this is my first time using this setup. I don't know if it's going to work. I don't know how much I'm going to like it, but the man that runs my local feed store has been using it on his ewes and says it's really showed a big difference on them, keeping them in good shape. So we're going to give it a try. So the spout for this gravity feed, I didn't show y'all that. Let me show y'all that. So my local feed store here, let me see. You can get this, they have these little portable tubs like this, these totes that they'll fill up with however many gallons you need. Then they send you with a hose right here that hooks on right there, and then you can just fill it up yourself, or they'll bring it for you and charge you a delivery fee. So I like to save where I can, so I'm going to do it myself. So I'm going to get the pickup repositioned and we'll fill her up. Okay, well, it's running. I'm going to move it out a little bit then. All right, so I'm going to hook my hose up here. I'm going to pull my hose out here. I'm going to hook it on here. Might be hard to do with one hand. The way that thing's. Okay, so you push that on there. Then you fold these ears back, and that locks it on the collar there. And we're going to go right here. We're going to open up our little spout right there. Take my hose, stick it in there like such. So here's my setup. All right, and then, oh, I gotta get up there. I'm gonna be in trouble. I'm gonna get stuff all over. I gotta get up there and open that. There's a lid on top of this tank. If you don't open it, it will create a vacuum and it won't let the fluids run out. So let's step up here and open that. Can y'all see that? I can't see nothing. It's too bright out here. All right. Got the cap open. Look out, Rube. Now then, all that's left to do is turn it on right here. it goes. Hear it? Running right in the feeder. So she's a running in. So we've got about 25 gallons in there so far. See, as I roll the wheel there, see that liquid feed starting to come up on it. That don't taste like your mama's syrup. Golly. Note to self, do not purchase the suction cup. Note to you guys too, do not purchase the suction cup GoPro holder because it don't hold very well. So now we're basically going to use it as a, what do we want to call it here, a tripod without the legs. I'll just hold it. Let's give that a little turn, see if Ruby smells it. Ruby's giving it her a try. She's like, what is that? So like I said, this is about a 16% protein, 10% fat. So it'll give her what she needs as far as that goes. It's going to take them a little getting used to. I mean, it's pretty stout. I tried it. So we're getting pretty close. You can see, I don't know if y'all can see the level right here. We started out about right here, about this bottom ring, this ring right here, this second ring here. We're nearly empty. That has a tapered bottom in it. We won't get every bit of it out, but we'll get most of it. I don't know if we can see. Yeah, you can probably see in there. Can y'all see in there? I can. I don't know if y'all can. Pretty dark. But it's just nearly up to the top, so doing good. Here it's starting to suck air. I'm gonna unstrap it and lean it this direction so we can get, I mean, we paid for all of it. Might as well get it all back, right? All of it we can. Loosen this old strap, ratchet strap right here a little bit. Just enough that it won't fall plumb over on me. And then we'll give it a little tilt. See, that brought a lot of it up here to us. We got her filled up. You can see I didn't have it exactly set and level, so it a little lower on this side than the far side, so it filled up and running over, but we'll learn from our mistakes. It'll be all right. So that ought to last them, that ought to last them a while. Give them the protein they need, the fat they need to produce their milk and increase their body condition. And I'll supplement them with some mineral. There are some minerals and stuff in here, but I'm going to supplement them with a Texas Range mineral is what we like to use. It'll have all the mineral and salt they need. So thanks for joining me today. As always, like and subscribe if you feel like it, and y'all keep ranching. Thanks again.